love. There's no other one above.
Damn, fresh on the bed.
Shawty want $1 million. Say make a wire. Tell me to wanna cover my girl.
Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, pronounce it however you may, okay? We are in the season of love. This is Valentine's season, okay? And honestly, y'all, I want to challenge y'all that in this season, or this on February 14th, or just for this entire month, just don't focus on loving your significant other or just that whole concept of what Valentine's Day is. Everyone just thinks Valentine's Day is having a big cuddling up, going on dates, but it's much more than that. I feel like for me, a season of love is also about self-love, okay? And if anything, show yourself some love this season. Go buy yourself that Valentine's Day present. If you like flowers, you better order those flowers and put a cute note with it so you can read it and be like, aww. That's not lame, okay? Showing love to yourself is always gonna be in style, is always gonna be in vogue. So if you really don't have a date on Valentine's Day, that's okay. Like, figure out how to show yourself the best love. Do what you wanna do, how you wanna do it, girls. Ladies, gentlemen, whoever is watching this, just show yourself love, okay? That's something that has been a challenge for me, and steadily, slowly, I am growing, learning to love myself, and y'all, like, that's the best feeling ever, okay? So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, hopefully y'all got a date though. But if you don't, I still feel like you can put this makeup on, feel good, and stay at home and do something nice. Oh, you don't even have to stay at home. You can take yourself out. Just look good. You never know who you might meet. Okay. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, please keep watching. And we are starting off today by priming my eyes first. I'm priming my eyes with the L.A.Girl Pro Concealer in the color Cool Tan, and then I'm going to go ahead and set that with my Sacha Buttercup powder. Now I'm going into my HD palette. This is a concealer palette from Ruby Kisses, and I'm taking the orange color. I've stopped color correcting, but today I just felt like doing it and going back, so I'm doing that. Now I'm taking my Milani 2-in-1 foundation. This is a drugstore product, and y'all, this foundation is beautiful. I love the finish, I love the coverage, I love everything, and I'm just going to be using 2 pumps of that to buff into my skin with a brush. Now I'm taking my L.A.Girl Pro Concealer in the color Creamy Beige, and I'm going to be using that to highlight, y'all. See, I bought a lot of highlighters, and some of them are done, so I just reach out to the closest ones I could find. This is super light for me, so I ended up having to blend it back out with like the brush I used to do my foundation, so like the leftover foundation on my brush. It worked out at the end of the day, but yeah, try to get a shade that's like a shade or 2 lighter than you, but I mean, if push comes to shove and it's a lot lighter, then you can use that. Now I took my L.A.Girl Pro Concealer in the color Hazelnut, and that was what I used to contour my face. Now y'all, look at what I was talking about. I was like, y'all can't see the panic on my face, but I panicked in my heart. Like, my heart skipped like several beats, and I was like, no, this cannot be a fail. But yeah, I think I ended up blending it out real nice, and the makeup look turned out great. So yeah. Now I'm taking my Sacha Buttercup powder, and I'm just using it to set my under eye. I usually never do my foundation before my eyes, but today I am, and I don't know why. I just felt like doing it. And I actually think I like it. I think my makeup stayed matte more through the day because I actually baked this time around. So that's something I'm going to try to figure out what I want to do. But yeah, that's why I'm baking or adding a lot of like setting powder, just because I'm going to be doing my eyes, and it's going to have glitter and fallout and all of that. And now I'm taking this, my Duo brown powders, and I'm just going to be using that to set my contoured areas. I'm going to leave everything exactly what I'm talking about or using in the description box below. For my eyes, I'm using the Take Me Back to Brazil. Take Me Back to Brazil is from Beige Cosmetics, and y'all, this pigment freaked me out. Like, I don't know if you could see my expression whenever I took the colors, the second pink that I used. Oh my god, y'all, I was like yeah, it was really like amazing. So yeah, I took the first pink shade, and I'm taking this other pink shade, and this was the one that really blew my mind. I was like, whoa. Whoa, but yeah, the pigment in this is gorgeous. And this is a pretty simple eye look. I'm just convinced that once you pop glitter on anything, it just like makes the look. Now I'm taking that like orange, red, burnt orange type red color, and I'm gonna be using that in the leftover part of my lids. And then I'm going to be taking this glitter glue / glitter thing that I got from the beauty supply store, and then taking this AliExpress glitter and just piling both of them on. And it was orange and red. I pretty much just used that glitter glue just because it was the glue and I didn't want to have to start using extra glue. Now I'm taking my Fenty Beauty highlighter and Mean Money, and I'm using that to highlight my brow bone and put on some nice faux lashes. Now I'm dusting off all the excess and you know, resetting my contour. Just taking my powder from Iman in Clay 3, I believe it was, but I'm using that to yeah, set my face. And now I'm going to use my E.L.F mist and makeup spray. I'm using that, going into my NYX. It's actually a lip pencil, but I love the color, and so I decided to use it to align my waterline. Then I'm gonna go back into that very pigmented pink shade that I used as the second pink on my eyes, and I'm just using that to smoke it out a little bit. Going into my Dare blusher by Ruby Kisses, I'm taking that like burgundy. This is like my favorite blush right now to use. And now going back into Fenty Beauty, I am taking Mean Money and Hustler Baby both to apply in my highlighted areas, which is the high cheekpoints of my cheekbones, my nose, my cupid's bow, and like the bridge of my nose. Now going to Fenty Beauty, I'm taking this color right here. Oh my god, y'all, my brain is like so slow right now, but I'll leave it what I use, and I'm using that to highlight my tear ducts. Now going with my fave, the best pencil ever, Chestnut by MAC. I'm using that to line my lips. Now I'm taking Deeper by Colourpop, applying just one coat of that, and then taking this lipstick by MAC, and I'm using it for the rest of my lips. Now I'm going to go back with my MAC and in Studio Fix powder in the color NC45, and then spraying my face with some E.L.F, and this is the finished look.
He say all our friends are friends, leave me la vida loca. From me, my lover, yeah, you for there for me, you for there. When the boy they hunger, I for try for you. But you say if you don't get money, I eat your face.
So y'all, I hope y'all learned something new. Don't forget to stay beautiful, choose you, and God bless.